Yes. Riding in the snow. A lot, I guess, you know, at work, people must think that it's just impossible to ride in the snow. Right now we're in a winter storm warning. But, you know, it's just be smart. Be smart about it. Take your turns easy. Sometimes I take the tire tracks from other cars. I definitely am very light on the brakes. I take wide turns. I plow through these over here. Something that's been really helpful is just getting your legs out in front of you. And that kind of, whoa. And that kind of just, you know, keeps you upright. Now, I've ridden while it was snowing before, but what you just saw with me kind of, you know, losing my balance back there, that has never happened before. So I'm just trying to, right now, I'm working on staying inside the tire tracks. That seems to be doing really well. But, you know, I've got no hurry home. So I'll take my time, and you know, if I dump it, so what? I've got, now I've never dumped this before, but so what? I'm going like, what, 10 miles an hour, 15 sometimes, but always kind of coast into a stop. Definitely got to make sure you've got enough space between cars. And luckily, I live on a street, on my way to get home, I don't have a lot of cars to contend with. I'm going a little bit faster here, but it's fogging up. I feel like this was plowed a little bit ago, but you know, it's covered up again. And I'll just keep my feet out, stay in the tracks, see how fast I can go. I can probably go at pretty decent speed here, 30 miles an hour, 30, 35. I'll start slowing down now, or at least letting off. You know, I'll use my feet too to slow down. It's a lot more gradual. Oh. I kind of like riding if a street hasn't been plowed at all and no cars have gone through it. Honestly, that's better. You know, my tread can get into that snow, and I have a lot more control than I do otherwise. You know, trying to follow all these tracks from other cars. This turn has not done me well in the past. I see I've got a little bit. Well, I'll just follow this. And it continues to not do me so well. That's alright. We'll get through it. Find a little path here, and whoa, maybe not. Hey. I'll let that car go through. Always keeping my legs out. just in case I need to catch myself. I'll find this track here. Call it good. Plow right through this. Good. I'll wait for there to be no cars. This seems like an okay time. Alright, that's how you do it.